What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. It has been another like 2 months since I last filmed. The last vlog I posted was me buying my car. And like I said, it's been 2 months. So it's about time I post again. I want to be more consistent with this. And I actually think I will lock in finally and get this done. It's currently Tuesday. It's 6:23 p.m. It's like super random, but I figured might as well vlog. I got a lot of, cool stuff I guess packed this week. So I wanted to take you guys along with me. Yeah, right now, I pretty much just got done with work. I filmed a bunch of modules for the Discord, so I had to get that off my plate. And we've had a pretty good trading week so far. I'll show you guys just a little bit. So the only trade I'm in right now is TSLL. And over the past 3 days, I took it last Friday, I'm up 3.4K basically. And then today, we're up 1.28K. I was up more earlier, it's just after hours now. But yeah, pretty good trading week. Probably gonna do a withdrawal after I liquidate that trade later this week as well. But yeah, right now we don't have too much planned. I gotta get ready. I'm headed out to dinner with my friend Harley. He just got an 812, so we're gonna go see that. Should be pretty fun. And then Aiden's also coming. Aiden, if you're watching this, I love you, bro. Should be a pretty fun night. We're just gonna go meet up with Harley, get the whips together, film some content, and then we're gonna go hit dinner, have a good dinner, and then probably just drive around and find something to do. I don't really know. So I'm gonna take you guys along, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, so we just finished getting ready. About to head out here. Not gonna lie, I need an exhaust big time. We just got back in the whip. We got Harley in the 812 right there. And we are headed to get some steak right now. So I'm pretty hyped. We're gonna go on a little bit of a drive right now to get there, and then go eat some dinner, meet up with Aiden, and then see what we wanna do after. Definitely get some content of the whips, and kind of drive around, have some fun. Have a good night, boys. I'm done with dinner. I'm with my boy Aiden. What's up, boy?
What's up, boy?
Just turned 21, bro. Went to Vegas.
Wow. Never again. Do not go to Vegas.
Hi, vlog. How are you doing? What's up, bro? Hope everything's all well with y'all, man. Yes, sir.
After listening in. Hello, beautiful woman. I'm gonna go over there and say, hey, my friend Aiden thinks you're really cute.
Yeah.
Do it! Gentle buddy. That's Striker Ferrari. Damn, you Chris believe that, bro? Yeah, bro. It needs that. In front of you, I'm cutting you up. Hey, you're good. I'm turning this home. I'm ending this home. Let go.
Wait, bro. Rocket League IRL. Guys, I'm making the pass.
Hey, hold up. Watch this shit. Watch this shit.
Hold on, where are you, bro?
I'm drifting.
Chill. Chill.
No.
Yeah! All right, boys, so we did some buffoonery. We got to the top of this mountain right here. Got Aiden with Tina. We got the G80, 812, G82. Crazy view, bro. Hello, my friend, how are you?
Low-key though, on a real note, shout out JV Trading. All because of JV Trading, I deadass got my M4 at 19. These bro mentored me, guided me in stocks. Now I'm able to afford my dream car.
Thank you.
So thank you, bro. Deadass.
Thanks,
This
bro.
all started because of TikTok. So they're like, bro, look, dope cars, amazing views, bro. Not gonna lie to you, other than that. Ooh la la.
It's a W.
Do you want to say
W night, bro.
Let's go. Like, holy cow. Okay, on a real note, If you guys need anything from me, please let me know.
This guy's the
Thank you
most
guys.
sweetest kid ever, bro.
For
That's why I let
sure,
him
bro.
grab
Bro's a sweetheart.
But like,
Bro's a sweet
hold-
kid. I'm getting land. I'm getting Ferrari. I got a house.
Yeah.
Now it's time to upgrade by the house in like a year, bro.
Bro, but like, look
One
at
of these, bro. Like, I literally got
I
an
know, on the
Airbnb
hill.
down there like a couple months ago. My friends, it was the best thing ever, bro. Like the view here. Let's do 100.
We need a
100
thumbnail, bro.
200 likes on this video and hold on, wait.
Bro.
What?
200 likes and we'll explore this house and do a break and entering.
Happy Merry Christmas.
But yeah, on a real note, I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here, boys. It has been a pretty sick night, I'm not gonna lie. We had some good eats, good drives, W cars, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. You guys have a good night, and maybe I'll see you guys later. Peace.